everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lesleyanne here. I've just popped it into Lidl's just to get a few bits. It's not a big haul whatsoever, but I thought I would just show you what I've got and give you the prices. So I'm just going to turn around and show you what I've got. Right, so went for some of these grapes. So they're the mixed seedless grapes. I'm just looking at the receipt at the same time. And these were £1.89. The strawberries, I've got some strawberries there. And the strawberries, I think for £1.89 as well. Let me just double check it. Yeah, £1.89 for the strawberries as well. And then some oranges, there's 4 large oranges there. £1.89, so it seems to be a bit of a theme with the fruit. Then over the back here we've got 4 cheese top rolls. They were £1 for 4. Some strawberry jam and golden syrup. The strawberry jam was 99p and the golden syrup was £1.29. We also got this cake. So this is like a jumbo hazelnut cake. This was £2.09, and we thought that maybe, I don't know, just maybe add a little bit of, once it starts to go a bit drier, it's nice and moist at the moment, you know, but you could always add a little bit jam to one side, or you could drizzle golden syrup over, you could warm it through, put ice cream with it, custard if you wanted to. And then we've got the ham trimmings. They look really good. And they were £2.49 for the ham trimmings. We bought some of the these ice creams. They're like the double caramel flavour. They were £2.99. The cod in butter sauce, which Luke absolutely loves this, that was £2.75. And I just picked up 2 of these mashed potatoes. They were 95p each for the mashed potato. A couple of pâtés. They were 69p each. And then we got this fish, the Mediterranean style cod fillets. They were £3.99. So for one meal we will be having, like Chris and I have one of these, and Luke, I say, adores these. So I have a couple of these, and we'll just use some mash and some peas, and I've left the peas out. So we've got some frozen peas, and they were 99p. And then we picked up these, 2 of these. We will only use one at a time, but this is on like their sort of new thing for the week. So this is a 3-fish roast. It's got cod, salmon and smoked haddock, and it looks absolutely lovely. It looks really tasty. These were actually £6.99 each. So we're going to have one tonight. We'll have some of that tonight, one of these tonight, and some peas, and then the rest of it go into the freezer. And then last but not least, some dog treats. So I've got some Sizzlers. These were 99p, and the other dog treats were these ones here were 75p. These were 79. And these were 79. And then I needed to pick up a new bag in their new sort of freezer bag. So I've got this. This was £1.99, but it's a nice big one, and it's got the zip, and it, you know, you can keep everything really cool in there. So these are also very handy if you're doing a picnic. Just pop your little freezer blocks in there. So everything here came to £44.72, which seems quite a lot. However, these were like £13.98 on their own. So yeah, that's it. That's everything that I did get today in Lidl's. I hope you've enjoyed watching this little video, my little haul. If you have, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And stay safe, everyone. I'll talk to you in my next video. Until then, bye. Bye for now. Bye.